If you're looking to boost your Google Ads impression share and increase conversions, this guide will walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. A higher impression share means your ads appear more frequently when people search for your keywords, giving you more visibility and opportunities to convert. First, open your browser and go to the Google Ads homepage. Once there, click the Sign In button at the top right corner. Log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Google Ads dashboard, the main hub where you can view and manage all your campaigns. Now, from the left-hand menu, click on the Campaigns tab. This is where you'll see every campaign you've set up, along with important data like impressions, clicks, and conversions. Choose the campaign you want to improve. Once you select it, click on Edit to access its detailed settings. Inside the editing panel, look for Change Bid Strategy. This option allows you to adjust how Google handles your bidding process, a key factor in determining how often your ads appear. To gain better control, switch to Manual CPC, cost per click. This setting lets you decide the maximum amount you're willing to pay per click instead of letting Google automate it. Using Manual CPC gives you more flexibility to prioritize where your budget goes. You can bid higher on high-performing keywords and reduce spending on those that don't deliver results. This balance helps increase your impression share without wasting money. After enabling Manual CPC, take a few minutes to review your keyword performance. Focus on the terms with strong relevance and engagement. Increasing bids slightly on these high-value keywords can improve your visibility in search results, leading to more qualified clicks. Keep in mind, though, that improving impression share isn't just about bidding more. Your ad quality and relevance matter too. Make sure your ad copy matches the intent behind your keywords, and your landing pages are optimized with clear calls to action and fast loading speeds. These small adjustments can significantly raise your ad rank and improve conversion potential. Once your adjustments are made, monitor your campaign performance regularly. Check your impression share, click-through rate, and conversions to see how your changes are impacting results. If certain keywords or ad groups underperform, refine them further. Optimization is an ongoing process. By following these steps, you'll create a more competitive campaign that appears more often, reaches the right audience, and converts effectively. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you enhance your Google Ads strategy and achieve stronger results from your campaigns.